This is an overview of the interactive elements that are fairly straightforward and are suitable for users of all levels of experience with Looker Studio. I'll be doing a separate video for intermediate and advanced users. So the first thing would be the date range selector. This is a global date range selector and it affects all the pages of the template, and you can select from predefined date range. The advanced one I will cover in a separate video for either intermediate or advanced, and you can also use the date picker to set the date range and so on. So if I switch to this year to date and apply, then all the charts on this page and all the other page will have that date range filter applied. Next we have let me deal with this first, right? This is gives you the ability to choose the accounts from your Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Search Console, and it's useful in the demo version of the template because the demo version has demo data, so therefore you can use this to choose your account, and it's global as well. So when you choose your accounts here, it applies to all the pages. When on the full version, this can be used if you have multiple accounts and you want to choose the accounts you want to see on the dashboard. These drop-down filters affect everything on the page, and they can be used either by itself, choosing one or many items, or in any combination to filter things as you see fit. So we could just choose this and this one thing in this drop down, and everything on the page would be filtered accordingly. And then we could come and apply other filters to narrow things even more to what exactly you want to see. And any filters applied and so on, if you want to reset everything to default, you can hover up here and then reset, and all the filters applied to the template will be reset. Next we have a chart level drop down, and this drop down controls these two charts, so it enables users to switch these charts to whatever metric is selectable from the drop down. So a user could select any metric they're interested in seeing. So let's say purchase revenue, and that would update both the scorecard so they could see the aggregate value and also see the trends. And next we have these two drop downs, chart level drop downs as well, in combination with this chart, so they only control this chart, and it allows users to see different combinations of metrics and dimensions, see either the top 10 or the bottom 10. So right now these are the top 10 purchase revenue by session source medium, and this sort icon allows us to switch between the top 10. So we can click it and then change the direction to see the bottom 10. Right now we could change the metric, so maybe engage sessions, and also choose between various dimensions, so maybe age or device and so on. And the final bit of interactivity I want to cover in this video would be a sort on table charts. So right now this table chart is filtered by, or not filtered rather, sorted by engaged sessions, and we could see it's in descending order from the lowest to highest based on the direction of this triangle. And we could click on the column to change the sort from highest to lowest, or we could come and use another column. So we could click on purchase revenue, and the first sort would be highest to lowest, and then click again to switch to a different sort. And if we want to reset any filters or sorting that has been applied to a chart, we could click on this reset icon here. Right, so that covers it for this video. There'll be a separate video for intermediate interactive elements and another one for advanced interactive elements.